Good morning, students. Today we starting the topic conservative forces. So, what is the conservative forces, or what is the definition of conservative forces? Note down it. A force is said to be conservative. A force is said to be conservative if work done by the force, if work done by the force is depends only initial and final position of object. Initial and final position of object. Then force is called conservative force. So now today we will prove this, that gravitational force is conservative force. That gravitational force is conservative force. So we will take in this, there are three cases. The first case in which a object is initially on the earth's surface and we will displace it to height h vertically upward. Second case, we will take a object initially on the earth's surface and we will displace it at height h through the inclined plane, to the height h. And in third case, we will displace the object through the staircase, which have n steps. Initially on Earth's surface, object is initially on Earth's surface, and finally we will displace through the stair at height h. So we will be starting from the first case. That is case 1. Object is initially on Earth's surface and we are displacing it at height h vertically upward against the gravitational force. Initially, object on Earth's surface we apply a force on object and object against gravity and displace to object at height h. Then work done on object F, that is W equal to force into displacement, that is F as cos theta equal to F equal to that is mg and S equal to h and cos theta equal to cos 0 degree, because the force is applied in direction of the displacement. So W equal to mgh, it is in the first case, that is taken the equation 1, right? Now we come on the case second. Case second, the object is displaced to height h by taking the inclined path. Its height h and the length of the inclined path is L. We take it L is the length of inclined path. It's A, B, C. So AB equal to L and that is BC equal to H. The angle is theta. So here it's an object mass m. The force, that is gravitational force, acting in downward direction, that is mg. The normal reaction act, that is vertical to the plane, that is perpendicular to the plane, that is r, and opposite to the r, it's mg cos theta. The force is that is external force in upward direction, F, and against this the component of weight, that is mg sin theta. Case second, the object is displaced to height h through inclined plane AB. The work done W equal to displacement, force into displacement, force acting, that is F equal to mg sin theta, that is F equal to क्या होगा mg sin theta, and displacement is equal to AB. So it is equal to mg, and what will be the sin theta? Sin theta equal to होगा h upon L, and AB equal to L. So L will be cancelled with the L and equal to mgh. So W equal to mgh equal, this is equation second. It is clear? Now we come on case third. Case third. In case third, the object is displaced to the height h through the staircase in which have the n steps. So we consider it's A, it's B, and final it's C. The V is equal to height h. Initially object is here and finally it will be reached to point C above h height. So it first move to, we consider it h dash, then it move x dash. And फिर again h dash, then again s dash, again h dash, and finally h n dash and x n dash. And n into h dash, n into h dash equal to total height h. So third case, the object is displaced to height h through staircase. The work done on object W equal to mg into h dash or h dash cos 0 degree plus mg x dash cos 90 degree. And because there is n steps, so we taking here n. Next line, W equal to n into mg h dash cos 0 value is